The way we help prepare a client when he goes to court is the client needs to know what to expect, whether he's going to a preliminary hearing, a pretrial conference, or simply just an arraignment. A lot of times, especially for first-time offenders, they don't know what to expect. That's why they're filled with fear, or they don't even know what questions to ask. So our job is to explain the court process every single step of the way, from arraignment until case resolution and disposition. So my job is to just provide to you the information that you need to know on your court date, so that you know what the game plan is and you know what will happen on that particular day.
In a criminal case, the best way to prepare a criminal client is to be sure that they understand that they have a right not to talk, not to testify, but they will be sitting in a courtroom, and their posture and their manner, their degree of politeness, what they dress like, who they speak to, who they don't speak to, is all very important.
To prepare for court, I would recommend that you gather up any paperwork you've received. It may seem like a minor step, but for your attorney it's incredibly important. There could be something on that paperwork that we could use to get your case dismissed. But if we don't have it, it's going to prolong the proceedings, possibly leading to additional court dates or even charges.
So in preparing a client, it depends on what our preparedness is. If the client's not talking, then we just want him to appear, or her to appear, in the best possible light, conservatively, as if where they're going is somewhere important. And they need to have that type of respect for the people that are making decisions about their life.
I would also recommend that you take a few minutes to consider your appearance. Come in dressed well and groomed, such as having showered. All of that sort of thing matters to the court. For them, it displays respect, that you respect what they're doing, you respect the seriousness of the proceedings, and failure to do so will show the court that you're not taking it seriously, and they will respond in kind. I would also recommend that if you're facing a particularly serious case, or you are in any way upset prior to going into court, that you have family members attend with you. You are always welcome to do that. Courtrooms are open so that you can have anybody you want go with you. You should also arrive early. That seems like a really small thing, but with the increased security nowadays for courtrooms, it's like going to the airport. You arrive early so that you can clear security, and just like security at the airport, they will scan your belongings, they will make you go through a metal detector, and you will have to stand in line for a substantial amount of time before you can do so. Leave yourself adequate time to do that before your court date starts, so that you don't have to be late to the courtroom. And look through your belongings, make sure you don't have anything that could potentially be considered dangerous. Again, like an airport, don't have anything on you that could get you in trouble, because they can and will find it.
When our client's ready to go to court, we know how confused and nervous they may be. So we want to put them at ease, know that we're going to be able to answer all their questions. Obviously, we want them to get there on time, maybe a little early, look their best, be really presentable, and know that we're right there next to them, taking over the case.